Yo. Guess who it is?
Back again. Ik ga die mensen in de kar gaan staan. Ik ga dit zo doen.
Okay. So. Oh, what now? Oh yeah, we can't forget. Zzz, zzz.
What outside?
So previously on the learning channel, timing was out, but the timing was out due to the cam belt tensioner that was acting wacky. So basically, the plan is also to get a new tensioner and also, oh yeah, at this current moment, they're gonna put on the CV joints, shafts. CV joint shafts, eh? Or just CV joint? Okay, CV joints. That's connected to the shafts. The inner ones. Okay, they're putting on the inner CVs. And then it's called the crank bell. I recently read up. So I need a longer bolt that connects to the gearbox on the fourth entry. So I need a longer bolt, then I can put linkages on. Time lapse. Explain what you are doing.
What we are trying here on the learning channel. This nut is rusted.
Because of many years of.
Yeah, it's rusted and now it doesn't want to move at all. And if we apply too much pressure, I don't know if it's possible, but there is a possibility that we can break the shaft or something or spoil the thread. So we're just trying to apply some sort of heat with. Because we don't got a torch, but we got a lighter, so anything is better than nothing. So with some heat, hopefully it can loosen up a bit. We use some carb cleaner or brake cleaner just to clean away all the debris, and then you apply some Q20 or penetrating oil as well, so that it can get into the rust. And then
The barbecue 20 is like the common,
yeah,
which normally everyone has in their house.
Brake fluid as well. It's also very good when it comes to penetrating.
So she said. Yo, that I can't remember when, but I did replace this whole thing. That whole disc.
You can see it's a new one.
But they normally skim that, right?
I don't know. I don't normally. I've actually never skimmed that before. I'd rather change it.
I've seen like a machine.
Yeah, there's a way of skimming it.
Then I was at this garage, and then this old guy just came through with his machine. Look, zip. And zzz, the whole thing.
Flat again.
Away. No rust.
If you have brake cleaner, bring the brake cleaner rather.
Okay.
Instead of us using carb cleaner on this now.
There's a big debate about brake cleaner, carb cleaner.
Away.
Let's go. So if your car is standing for very long, low torch, brake cleaner, carb cleaner, heat. Kid, don't try this at home.
Hey, brake cleaner, bro.
Mm. Okay, so basically clean the CVs, put grease in, put new CV boots on.
Yeah.
Small, short version. What is the proper version?
It's just a mini service of the CV joints. We're replacing the boots, but only on the inners. So what we're gonna do is open up the outers and check if there's sufficient grease in there, and we're gonna add some more if it needs be, and fill up on grease on this side as well. So it's like a mini service of your CVs. They are out right now, so it's gonna be best for you to just do it now while it's out, and then slap it in, and the drive can be much better. And that's about it. Yeah, alles. What's good to remember is that your CV should always be well greased. Well greased CVs is going to make for a smoother ride, and it's going to prevent your CVs from clacking when you make a turn. Owens will know what I'm talking about.
Okay. So please explain the process of putting a CV boot on.
Make sure that the casing fit on the CV itself.
Make sure your size is...
Your size is accurate, and then squeeze on the boot. Once the boot is on, then you can put on your CV. And then
But you just have to make sure that you have to
check your
diameter also, because you still have to bend it like Beckham to put it on.
Yeah, try to slide it on without using any applications. If you can't, then I guess you can use something, but as far as possible, try and just slip it on.
And not try to damage the boot.
Yeah, don't try and damage the boot.
This is the
Old boot.
old boot. Cracks in. Is it callus? Is it callus? For the I think it's callus. Is it callus? For the the heels.
Yes.
Yeah. Then they use like a brick type of thing and then they clean it off.
Yes.
Rasper, I ben jaken. Nu van die krummels halen die
So this was needed to take off these boots because it was gonna leak grease everywhere. What's it do? What do you use? Pry. Pry it to get it in, but don't damage the boot.
Was hy plat dik man?
There was only the one.
Hy plaai en hy
Oh.
plaai.
For the pliers.
Die long nose.
Okay. CV boots on. I think the best way is hold it flat, press it from the top, two hands, turnsies.
It should loop.
It should loop.
It's not about the pressing, you need to turn it to get
It's
it.
about the wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Yeah. And then you can get it. So that is the new boot, inner boot. That's still the old one, but it can still be cleaned, no worries. And then where's the chummy sauce? Chummy sauce, yeah. Pack of grease.
Maar je had hem al afgaan. Moet het die boot me nog zak?
Must go more.
Ja,
Oh, wat ik zeg, is het
Ja, is
oh,
nog-
nee, met zakken, ja,
zakje.
Okay. So let's go further down. We're gonna do that now. And what should people remember when applying grease? Is too much or enough or
Yeah,
Or moderate.
rather too much, so that it's lubricated. I think excess will squeeze out by itself, but when you apply it, just wiggle it around so that it can move into all the grooves, crevices, just move. And then press it over and so you can squeeze in.
En de enige side op ons zit wat. Zo. En is specifiek.
Ah,
Okay.
moet specifically.
Ja, je zegt in die lijn.
Die lapie.
Ja, bro.
Fuck. Ze vangt mij midway op die channel kan vangen. Sorry voor dat. Piep!
Een keer kan dat was het.
Nou, terug again. Ik nou net dat vloek hier. Toen biep ik het met mezelf.
so is it necessary just to put on the CV joints or on the shaft, everything, or just on the CV itself?
Just on the CV itself. Anything that's excess will go into the boot itself. It's gonna catch it like a,
Fly catcher.
oh yeah, something like that. I'm gonna put it on here just to Mr. Welkom in.
Zit er die nog? En de 40 gaan.
Ja, we verder gaan. Kijk, hier zit een bepaalde kant naar de grease. So I'm just working him into all the crevices.
Quack, 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 quack. I'm sorry for laughing. Man. My mind is. I don't know.
Somebody else. He lacht erbij.
Los hier is die hele ding. Los hier.
Oh, the wall go.
That's the whole thing. It look like this thing can come off here.
Yeah, it will. Was the balls almost there, man? And that is a well greased CV joint.
Ja, die staan altijd in Kakstraat. Je kunt blijven vastzetten in de
CV boots on, cleaned, grease in, and grease out, and we're ready to go install. First one, it's on the driver's side.
Waar is hij?
Hier is het.
Yeah, okay.
Hij zit er even zijn.
Yeah. What should I remember now again? When
Coach is vast maar.
is it all?
Ja.
Just make sure the boatjes are fast. So,
Can I go met
yeah, you can go. So she said. So basically, the problem what we ran into now is the CV joint is too Too big?
Small.
Too small.
Yeah. The inner CVs is too small.
Yeah, the
for
inner CV too small.
Too small for the gearbox because the new gearbox have a bigger
Diameter.
diameter on the black. I don't know what you call it, the base plate. So this is the old CV. Fits in here like that, nice like a glove. But on the new box, this inner CV is too small for the base plate. So
Oh, basically the lip, these grooves here have to fit inside.
yeah,
The other one, that's not doing that.
because the base plate is too big.
Yeah,
So
so she said. So the CV joint, base
the
plate,
bigger one.
housing, whatever you wanna call it. This is the learning channel. We run into hiccups like these. So now we also have to learn, or we have learned, that if you buy a new gearbox, make sure that the diameter is the same with the CV housing, inner CV housing, base plate.
If they are both the same.
Yeah, but they're both the same. So you have to make sure that is the same. And I mentioned this before. See, where's this one? 1, 2, 3. Oh, is it here? Yeah. On the new gearbox, there's a whole long bolt that has to go in with a crank bell goes on with a linkages joint. So I need another bolt. Yeah, there's engine cleaner. Yeah. So yeah, fits perfectly. New gearbox need a new bolt to fit the size, which is length of 10 centimeters if I'm not mistaken. So that has to go there in that. See there. There, that bolt has to go in there. Forward.
I know it's four on this box, but this box is not really different to that box, so maybe the heights are different. Let me see.
It can't go in the bottom, it has to go there.
Let's check it there.
It has to go there. Just there, it has to go there.
So the long one and the short one, so this is the short one.
Yeah,
It's gonna go in there, and then the long one.
goes there at the back.
There's the long one, flip it in there.
Yeah, so can't clip one-handed. Yeah, it is that one.
Yeah, number 4.
Yeah, number 4. So yeah, need a bolt that goes in there. Oh wait.
There need to be a long bolt.
Yeah, long one. Like 10 centimeter length. At least.
Let's get that then also.
But wait, is it? Just double check.
There.
Yeah.
Check the length of it, because we're gonna have to ask for it now.
It was a 10, yeah.
Okay.
10. Was the bolt. We have the sample bolt there.
Where's the sample bolt?
We were driving with it, so maybe it's still in the car.
Was that by the Hendrik?
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, guys. That's the learning channel. We learn for you, so you don't have to learn.
More obviously, Maron will say we don't have to learn.
Yeah. Well, the channel is always to make it easier for people to not have to run into all these problems. Okay, so we're back. We got the new CVs and boots because we needed bigger ones, bigger necks.
Bigger necks.
Where's, okay, wait, the old one. Where's the, okay, here's the new one. That's the old one. You want old one? Comparison. You can obviously see.
There's never a release button in here.
Yeah, that there, and then you just pull it. So if you look there, I hope you can see that it's bigger. This one here is bigger. Bigger next. So yeah, we need a bigger CV joint. Because obviously the new gearbox doesn't take the old one. So yeah, we had to buy 2 new inner CVs and inner boots. Assembly time. I also want to get a. It look like toothpaste.
Alot joints. Alot bar.
I also want to get a time lapse.
Squeeze me.
Wasn't supposed to be shaken, not stirred. That one looked like.
Ja, wacht maar even. Je moet raak ook in moe met de voet. En alot brengen.
Wait, let me get.
Dus druk om te doen.
Okay, wait. Okay, so before Mr. Zoop Zoop.
Waar is de cable thuis?
No cable tie. Okay, we can put it on again. But we can put it now, I guess. Okay, so that's the new one. Bigger CV.
Right size.
Right size, not the wrong size.
Oh yeah.
Nog anders een poot.
Here we go. Beautiful. Nice and lubricated. And now it's going to be installation of CVs and shaft.
Je hebt van mijn plankers komen gaan poppen.
Wat is het?
Headlock.
Hij was voor je komen gaan niet meer op.
Despo.
Oh ja.
Despacito. Despacito.
Ik heb een despo mee, bro.
Despo.
Nee, duimman ken ik dan.
Nou, die man heeft een despo daar op die oude.
Despo,
Ja, ik heb
despo.
nummers gemaakt, maar we hebben
Oh,
nog
geen
een despo.
despo.
Wella?
Yes, sir. Die dood is te kort.
Nee, nee man. Oh, hier is het, daar moet die staan. Kijk hier. Was die dan sterk of was het gedraaid? Die wiel niet, zo mensen. Als het dus nou is, was het sterk.
CVs in motion. So basically all you have to remember is just make everything tight that was loose.
Yeah, make sure the CVs is well greased. That's most important. And then put it back. The same way you took it out. Sorry dat ik jullie nog kan zien, guys, op de channel. Als je vastbrandt, zeg voor ons daar in de comment section.
We'll reply as soon as possible.
Ja, laat doen, ja.
Okay. Explain if a CV. Whoa. If a CV doesn't wanna flex. What?
Yeah.
What?
What we did here was we removed all the balls. Sorry. And then we put it back one by one. And then we're going to feel on each one if there is mobility on the CV joint, because previously it was stuck and it didn't want to move at all. See, so now we still have a swivel here on the middle. As we're putting the balls in, we check for mobility still on the CV.
Also explain. Can you just put it in or?
Yeah, there's pretty much only one way that it can go in. It's very difficult to put it in any other way.
So she said.
But once it's in, it can't come out. Well, it can come out, but just make sure that you put it in the right way. You will be able to see on the outer casing, there's provision for the ball. So you place it on there, then you need to align the middle one. That it also have some sort of room for it to go in. And the center one. So outer, middle, outer circle, inner circle, holies of holies. He fits in all three of them. When you push it back, it needs to complement the other balls that has been set on the inside already. Did you learn today for the first time? But
This is the learning channel.
here we go. So here you can see an engraving. Enough for the ball to go in, enough for the bolt to go in on the middle one, and enough for the bolt to go in on the center one. So try him like this. Push him in. Don't want to go in. Now we just have to make a room for him. Come back again. There we go. Place it on the inside. So it fits in the outer casing, in the middle casing, and it's laying in the center groove. Opposite end will almost be out. So if you push it back, there we go. There you got play.
And
So
previously
now
it
can
was
move.
super stiff.
Yeah, couldn't move in any direction.
And that's how you fix your stiff CV joint.
Here we go.
Oops.
Jadi lagi ini.
Ayan, ini anak kami.
Lagi plaatsen. Okay, ja.
There we got play and movement.
Wat goed is. Het is al done. So let's put on this cap. The new CVs have been fitted nicely. TDC is set. Of was dat? Alright, TDC is set. Change the pulley, new pulley on, belt on, TDC, 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 and TDC. Top dead center, so the timing is 100%. We're gonna attempt the first startup. Try and give it a crank.
It's warm.
Sold. Gonna have a look again. Let's just check the timing and everything. We'll resume again. Attempt 3,444. Hold it.
Oh, is it?
3,477.
Heb je van aan van die bek?
Lekker man.
Gooi me in.
Wacht. Try again.
And yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, we did some attempts on starting the car, but to no prevail, which is okay. And again, if we don't finish what we started in the previous video, the next video we will continue. A lot of stuff actually learned in that video. When you change the gearbox, make sure the inner CVs fit. So that's the one thing to look out for. We actually made a lot of progress. I feel it was a good video. It was a good learning experience as always, which is very important. As long as we learned, the video was a success. So yeah, inner CVs on. We're gonna continue then to try to get a first start, a successful first start. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you to the subscribers. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the comments. Really appreciate it. And on that note, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, comment down below, hit the like button, and share the video. We want to hit that 1,000 subscribers. That would be awesome. And see you guys in the next video.